Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, a ground is in the shape of rectangle of length 100 meters and width 80 meters. Inside the lawn there is a footpath of uniform width 1.5 meters bordering the lawn. Find the area of the path. Solution. Since we know that area of the pathway inside the rectangle is given by the formula 2WL plus B minus 2W, where L is the length of rectangle, B is the breadth of rectangle, and W is the width of the path. Therefore, putting down the respective values, we get the required area A is equals to 2 into 1.5 into 100 plus 80 minus 2 into 1.5, which on simplification gives the result as 531 square meters. Thank you. Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, a ground is in the shape of a rectangle of length 80 meters and width 60 meters. Outside the lawn there is a footpath of uniform width 2 meters bordering the lawn. Find the area of the path. Solution. Since we know that area of the pathway outside the rectangle is given by the relationship 2WL plus B plus 2W, where L is the length of rectangle, B is the breadth of rectangle, and W is the width of the path. Therefore, after putting the respective values in the given formula, we get the required area of the path A is equals to 2 into 2 into 80 plus 60 plus 2 into 2, which on simplification gives the value as 576 square meters. Thank you. Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, a lawn is in the shape of a rectangle of length 200 meters and width 120 meters. Inside the lawn there are two pathways of uniform width 3 meters running parallel to the side of the lawn. Find the area of the pathways. Solution. Since we know that the area of two pathways running parallel to the sides of a rectangle is given by the formula W into L plus B minus W, where W is the width of the pathway, L is the length of the rectangle, and B is the breadth of the rectangle. Therefore, substituting the values of the respective terms in the formula, we get the required area as 3 into 200 plus 120 minus 3, which finally gives the result as 951 square meters. Thank you. Hello, I am Dharam. The question is, if the area of a square is 16 square feet, find the length of each side. Solution. Since we know that the area of a square is given by the formula side square, therefore putting down the values of the respective term, we have 16 is equals to side square. Therefore, the length of each side is under root 16, which is equals to 4 feet. Thank you.